get enough of Cbeebies? Then here's a new way to fire your little one's imagination with their favourite shows and more. Now on the radio. Cbeebies on BBC 7.
Thinking green!
For little people.
Do you know who Paluto's sidekick is? Is it Tommy Zoom,
That's me.
Smog,
Smoggy.
Tommy Zoom, Smog, or Danny?
Hello everyone, sorry to interrupt normal programming. We have a very special message for you, authorised by Her Majesty's government. Please get your mummy or daddy or your guardian if they're not already in the room. We advise you to listen intently. There is a little problem outside today, so we're asking all our Cbeebies friends to stay inside where it's safe and warm. Parents and guardians, please keep little ones close and avoid looking outside for a little while. We promise everything will be back to normal.
This broadcast has been interrupted by the SCP Foundation. An anomaly has been detected in your area. Please wait for further information. This broadcast has been interrupted by the SCP Foundation. An anomaly has been detected in your area. Please wait for further information. A hostile biological entity designated SCP-096 has been spotted in the United Kingdom. SCP-096 is highly dangerous and must not be viewed under any circumstances. Any individual who sees the face of SCP-096, even for a fraction of a second, will be targeted. The entity will pursue and terminate the viewer regardless of distance or obstacles. There is no known method of survival. Effective immediately, all residents are to close curtains, avoid windows, and remain indoors. If you suspect you have viewed an image resembling SCP-096, report to authorities without delay.